Okay, I got a question on page 276, number 41, and this is basically multiplication of a binomial, and it happens to be a special product. For example, I don't know if you remember multiplying things like this as binomials, but there's a special rule when the two binomials are exactly the same except for the plus and minus sign, and the shortcut answer for this would be a squared minus b squared. Let me just review the whole problem. A times a squared, a times b, plus ab, minus b times a, minus ab, minus b squared. And you see the middle term cancels out. And that always happens when the two binomials are exactly the same, except for one has a minus and one has a plus. That's what we have here. So the final answer is the square root of n plus 1 squared minus the square root of n squared. And that's the answer, except for it can be simplified. When I square n plus 1, the square root of something squared, n plus 1, the square root of this squared n, continue simplifying, final answer 1. Hey, that was easy. You can do these. Good luck.